How to make a solar light for home backyard use. To shed a little light in a garage or a homemade fort, consider creating a DIY solar bottle bulb. This bulb should not be used inside a permanent structure, as it can cause permanent damage to the roof as well as invite outdoor elements into the home. However, for adding light to a temporary structure or a playhouse for kids, a solar bottle bulb can be easily fashioned. Decide which area of the home/room will be the best place to add the bottle bulb. Consider where the majority of the living is done in or where you need a light source the most. Identify any vulnerable areas inside the structure where puncturing the ceiling could cause structural issues. Either refer to the blueprint or walk through the home and evaluate which areas cannot be compromised. Consider if you can install multiple solar bottle bulbs. Typically bulbs will be created from either 2-liter, 0.5 US gal, or 8-ounce clear, plastic empty soda bottles, so evaluate your space first. Pick up empty plastic soda bottles. Remove the label and thoroughly wash the inside and outside of the bottle. Keep the bottle cap. Pick up a gallon of distilled water and a gallon of bleach. The water acts to scatter the light, and the bleach prevents algae from growing inside the bottle. Grab household industrial sealant, as you will need to seal the bottle to sheet metal. Purchase sheet metal enough to surround the bottle and lay along the top of the roof, and pick up a small hand saw. Measure the circumference of the top 2/3 of the bottle and transfer the measurements to your structure's roof. Cut a hole in the roof using your hand saw. Transfer the same measurements to the extra piece of sheet metal. Draw a circle for the bottle measurements and then draw a large square around the circle. Cut out the square and the circle on the sheet metal. Test placing the bottle through the circular hole. The bottle should fit snugly, allowing 2/3 of the bottle to hang down through the bottom of the sheet metal. Fill the bottle almost to the top with distilled water. Don't overfill, as you will need to add bleach. Top off the bottle with bleach. Approximately 3 tablespoons. Allow the bleach to permeate through the distilled water without shaking the bottle. Add the cap to the bottle and tighten. Dip the bottle into the sheet metal and add sealant around the base of the bottle. Make sure you add a liberal amount of sealant in order to avoid having rain or other outside elements escape through the hole. Drop bottle through the hole in the roof and allow the sheet metal to keep it in place. If possible, add sealant, or, if it is not available, seal to the sheet metal to adhere it to the roof.
Please click on the link below the video to watch the full content. If you are interested,